Okay, it's Thursday, June 23rd. This is a pre-market look at Tesla. You can see here, this is the shooter bar from yesterday. So I was looking for the lows to be taking out today. You can see here, there is a little bit of an up opening developing. Here's the bid-ask pre-market. And we'll see if we can kind of hold in this area and then work towards the lows of yesterday at the open. What's interesting here again is the price action from yesterday on the 15-minute chart. We did start up, fail, and then we closed near the lows, so we're looking for those lows to be taken out. Now, if I just click on pre-market action, it's on never right now, but if I add that in, you can see that price actually did work towards the 700 area after market hours, which was nice, and I was hoping we'd gap lower, but then we had kind of in the mid-morning hours, it did push up a little bit. So you can see here we had a push down, a push up. So what might happen here as we're in the middle of this range is that you might get a little pre-market. When the market opens, you might want to take out those stops right there around 725 before turning lower. Anything in here is still an inside bar, and I'm still expecting it to head lower. But if I get price action that starts up and doesn't fail at this area and then continues higher, you have to take a small loss, or it could head down to start, which would be ideal, and then work towards the lows of yesterday. And again, once we break that area and have a 2-down day, we're looking to kind of work towards the 675 area. So we'll see what happens. I'm prepared to take a small loss if kind of this area is taken out and holds, and hopefully, we still have about an hour before the market opens, a little more than that. Hopefully we'll continue to drift a little lower here and be more towards the lower end of this range, and then eventually, what I'm obviously hoping for is just the first bar kind of starting red and starting down. So we'll have to see what happens, but little bit of a volatile, overnight session here. So we'll see. Again, I'm kind of playing this shooter bar, and as long as we kind of hold in this area, you can see selling happened here the last 2 days in a row. So we'd love to see selling happen again near the open and start lower.